Hello dear students, welcome to the video of EVS chapter 4 Mangoes Round the Year. Oh Neetu, I think your potato sabzi is spoiled. Don't eat that, you may fall sick. Here you take some bhindi. How did Aman know that the potato sabji had got spoiled? Aman knew that the potato sabji had got spoiled by its bad smell. Have you ever seen some food that has got spoiled? How did you know that it was spoiled? Yes, I have seen spoiled bread, tomato, dough. I came to know about their spoilage by the following observations: bad smell, change in color, change in texture. Preeti told Nitu not to eat the potato sabzi. What would have happened if she had eaten it? If Neetu had eaten the spoiled potato sabzi, she would have fallen sick. It could have led to vomiting and intestinal disorders or food poisoning. Look in your kitchen and write down names of food items that can get spoiled in 2-3 days. Food items that can get spoiled in 2-3 days are milk, cooked food, bread, etc. Food items that can be kept for a week. Food items that can be kept for a week are onion, potato, carrots, etc. Food items that would not spoil till 1 month. Food items that would not spoil till 1 month are raw rice, pickles, oil, ghee, grains, etc. Will your list be the same in all seasons? What would change? No, the food items would not be the same in all seasons. In summer season, the food items get spoiled quicker as compared to that in winter season. On the other hand, there are some food items that can get spoiled quicker in the rainy season. Due to the excess moisture in the air, the process of spoiling of food is more than other seasons. Biji returned the bread. Aman's Biji went to the market to buy bread. The shop was very crowded. The shopkeeper picked up a packet of bread and gave it to Biji. She looked at it and returned it immediately. Look at the picture of the bread packet here and guess why Biji returned it? I guess Biji returned the bread due to the following reasons. She might have read the expiry date mentioned on the wrapper. She got to know that the expiry date has already crossed. She might have detected the spoilage of the bread. How did she find that the bread had got spoiled? She found out that the bread had got spoiled by seeing the black spots on it. Look carefully at 2-3 packets of food items. Observe the pictures. What can you know from what is written on the packet? We get the following information from the food packet: manufacture date, expiry date, price, net weight, ingredients, nutritional value, name of the manufacturing company. When you buy anything from the market, what do you look for on the packets? When we buy anything from the market, we generally look for the following: manufacture date, expiry date, price, name of the manufacturing company. How does food get spoiled? Let us see one experiment. Take a piece of bread, sprinkle a few drops of water on it, put it in a box, close the box, see the bread every day until you find some changes on it. Let us see the changes in the bread. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5 and day 6. You can observe by touch, by smell, by looking through hand lens and by color. See the changes in the bread. Changes in the bread by touch, by smell, by looking through hand lens, by color. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6. You can do this experiment and fill in the blanks like this. Find out the reason for these changes. From where did the fungus come on the bread? These changes occurred because of rotting of bread due to the presence of moisture. The spores of fungus are present in the air. When they get a moist surface on food, they begin to grow. Moist bread is an excellent source of nutrition for fungus. Fungi are tiny structures that keep floating in the air. These are too tiny to be visible to the naked eyes. However, when they land on moist bread, they begin to grow in a manner similar to that of a seed in moist soil. As they grow, they reproduce and spread over the surface of the bread. Different kinds of food items spoil due to different reasons. Some food spoil soon, some stay good for long. List some seasons and conditions in which food spoils quickly. The food spoils quickly in summer and rainy seasons. Rainy season having high moisture condition. Summer season having high temperature condition. Conditions in which the food spoils quickly are if cooked food is kept in open, if milk is not boiled properly, if green vegetables are kept in hot and humid places, if pickles are not protected against moisture. Given below are some food items and some simple methods by which these could be kept fresh for 1-2 days. Match the correct pairs. Food items with methods. Milk, cooked rice, green coriander, dhania, onion, garlic. Put in a bowl and keep the bowl in a container with some water. Wrap in a damp cloth. Boil it. Keep it in a dry open place. Now match the correct pairs. Milk, boil it. Cooked rice, put in a bowl and keep the bowl in a container with some water. Green coriander, dhania, wrap in a damp cloth. Onion, garlic, keep it in a dry open place. Part 1 completed. Wait for the second part. Thank you.